But what you want to do is not put it on backwards. What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and in this review we have a wall mounting system. You guys, this is garage hooks right here. Now, the cool thing about this is you can actually hang multiple items on this garage hook. A lot of garage hooks you're limited, all right? With this garage hook, you can actually hang a bike up with this system. So we will test out everything that you can hang up. So let's go ahead and get into it. Time to unbox this thing. So when you first open the box, you get your instructions. I'm gonna be honest, the hardest thing about hanging this system is probably the location of where you're gonna hang it. So you will have a harder time trying to figure out where in your garage you wanna put this than putting it up, all right? But in all fairness, it's easy to put up, you guys. Most garage hooks are easy to put up. So very DIY friendly. So they give you screws, they give you anchors. All right, don't know if you can see it too well, but there you go. There you go with that. Wow, this is massive. Now you have your mechanism right here. You see that? You gotta love the new era of garage, you guys. This is so much more easier than you know, the older garage hooks. I have them over there, you know, the ones you twist and you put in. I actually have some hanging up. We're trying to get rid of that system. So we have this weird hook right here. I believe this is to hold up your bike. So you might be able to mount your bike on the wall with this. These are some very long hooks. Here's another hook design. 4 hooks, 2 track systems. So if you want, you could use 1 track system on one side, use a track system somewhere else. But I think in our situation, we are gonna hook both of them up together. So this is pretty cool, you guys. I actually like the color. As y'all know, I changed my color scheme in the garage and this fits the color. I don't really care about stuff like this matching. This could have been red or blue. I don't really care. I got all types of tools, you guys. So Milwaukee, DeWalt, Cobalt. So my color scheme is all over the place in this garage. All right, so here we go. Now, to put your track on is simple. You can slide this black protector right here, and they give you many holes to choose from when you're putting your system up. You can put this onto your studs, or you can put this onto your drywall. But remember, when you put onto your drywall, you have to use anchors, you guys. Please use anchors. If you put this on your drywall and you don't use anchors, you will be sorry, all right? Especially if you're gonna put something heavy on it. Now, from what I read in the Amazon description, it says, I believe 66 pounds, but I believe that might be per hook. I'm not really sure yet. I will look more through the description. I'll post it if I find it. You can use this as a bike hook. And then the other 2 you can use for like utility tools and stuff like that. All right, you guys, so I'm going to put it on this wall for now. Like I said, the hardest part is to figure out what part of the wall in your garage you want to put your hooks. First thing you will need, you guys, is you will need a stud finder. Get yourself a pencil. You will need a leveler or a laser level. I have reviewed a cool laser level. I'll put a link in the description. All right, you guys, so right now I am going to find a stud. So what we need to do is go ahead, take our rubber protection off. We got screws, we got all types of stuff. We need drill bits, we need everything. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pre-screw one of them in. Oh, you guys, I can't find the tool that I'm looking for, but I will be here hours trying to look for special tools. Right here is where one of my studs is located. Now, to get center on my stud, I have to be right here. Now, the other wood stud is right here on this side. So I am out of luck on that one. And I am not going to kill myself trying to figure that out. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to lift this up a little bit high so that way if I hang like a broom or something, then it won't hit the floor. Or if I hang up my trimmer or something like that. So I'm going to just put it a little bit higher. Okay, you guys, so there we go. I'm not going to lie to y'all on this one. I do not know what size drill bit this is. So I am not going to give you no false number, but what I did was match the drill bit to the anchor that I need. So but what you want to do is not put it on backwards. You gotta love my channel, you guys. Why didn't I notice that this was backwards? That's why it felt like the screws wasn't long enough. All right, you guys, so we flipped it the right way now. You gotta love my channel, you guys. I show y'all my mistake. I got too cocky on y'all. I got too cocky. All right. Now it hit the wood. Okay, now I feel better. Now we can slide this back on, you guys, once it cooperates. Oh, gotta slide through the middle as well. So this is the tricky part, but we got it. Now we slide it on and it looks like it's floating. You can't even see where the screw's at, all right? It's nice and neat, you guys. This is nice and neat. I love it. You put this on top, push down, back, and it locks. So cool. You can slide it where you want it. A stud on this one. Wow. So I would definitely need anchors. As a matter of fact, let me go ahead and put my pencil marks in just to be on the safe side right now. So we're gonna match that up with that one. All right, you guys, I'm just showing y'all how fast y'all can put this thing up, you guys, and it's nice and easy, not too stressful. All right, you guys, we're gonna put this on. And once again, I'm going to put all the screws on this demonstration in this video, that's all. Once you get this crap on here. All right, we got the rubber protector on. And you guys, it looks like one piece. All right, you guys, now it looks like one piece. Now what we're gonna do is, we are gonna put our hooks on. So all you gotta do is hook it on. So what you do first is put it on, push down, and release, and it should be tight. If you need to slide it, you can press down and slide to where you need to go. You see your hook, hook it on top, press down on the top right here, let go, and it's on. And we have the last one right here. Put the hook on there from the top, press down, let go, and it's on. Super good, you guys, super good. All right, I'm gonna find some things to hang on here. All right, you guys, and I'm finalizing the product right now. Nice and organized. Right there on it, along with the peat moss spreader, I have my backpack sprayer right here. And then we have a bike. It looks nice and organized. It's very durable. This is how you hook your bike up. And yes, you can put adult bikes on here too, you guys. So you can put big bikes on. I have enough clearance right there. I put it up high enough for me. So there you go. And that will be it. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.